Hello friends, welcome in my today's video. In this video I will show you how to get the longitude and latitude and accuracy of your location, current location in Sketchware app. So I am creating an app, map longitude, latitude, accuracy. Okay, here you see the app, and now I am giving 3 linear H here and giving 3 text viewer and giving another 3 text views here. This is the text view 4, this is the 5 and this is the 6. So here I am writing latitude, longitude, and here is the accuracy. Here you go, and here is the text here. I am setting here number, here also number. So in the same way here number, here also number. Here you go. Now I am setting the text sizes all 25 sp. Twenty-five and 25. So I think you can understand that these are the names, and here we will view the numbers. So what we have to do now is to go to component and create a new component of location manager LM and another component of timer. Here we go. Now what we have to do is to set here event on activity create, location manager show location updates. Now set here LM unit type face. We have to give the network provider here, as we are getting this by our network. Minute time I may give here 1 minute and minute distance 1. This will be okay. Now go to component and tap on the plus button. Here you see the location manager LM. I am adding it and clicking here. And now what I have to do is to give here text view set text 3, and here text view 4, text view 5 and text view 6, and here we have to give to string with decimal. Here you go, to string with decimal. Here is the latitude, at first the latitude, then the longitude, and then the accuracy. Everything is okay. Now I am running the app. Here you go, I am installing it. Please wait a while, as it is taking time to install the app. Please wait. I don't know what is the problem going on. I am again running the app after saving. Here we go. I am installing the app. And so here you see the app is installed, and here you see the latitude, longitude and accuracy. I am again going to the app. Here you go. It is here, you see. So thank you for watching this video and waiting the last moment. Please subscribe my channel to get the outstanding videos of Sketchware tutorials. Thank you.